In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Printify with your Wix website to boost your online sales with an easy-to-manage print-on-demand solution. Whether you're looking to expand your product offerings or streamline your current processes, this tutorial will guide you through each step to get you up and running quickly. First things first, make sure you're using the Google Chrome browser as it offers the best compatibility for navigating through the various platforms involved in this process. Fire up Chrome and then head over to your Wix website. Once there, go ahead and log into your Wix account if you haven't done so already. This initial step is crucial because it ensures all changes and connections we make will be correctly synced to your website. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your Wix dashboard. You'll notice an option labeled Apps. This is where we're going to find and install the Printify app for your Wix store. Click on Apps and you'll be taken to the Wix app market. From there, we need to find the Printify app. You can do this quickly by using the search bar at the top of the page. Simply type in Printify and the relevant app should pop up in the search results. Once you've located the Printify app, it's time to integrate it into your site. Click on Add to Site and follow the prompts to seamlessly install the application. This process is straightforward, and Wix will provide helpful prompts and confirmations along the way to guide you through the installation. This step is vital for connecting Printify products with your Wix storefront, so double check that Printify has been successfully added before moving on. Now that the Printify app is installed on your Wix site, we'll need to log into your Printify account. If you haven't already created an account with them, no worries. There's an option to set one up within the same interface. Follow the prompts to either sign in or create a new account. Creating a Printify account is quick and easy, requiring only the essential details before you're on your way to accessing its full suite of features. With both your Wix and Printify accounts ready and raring to go, it's time to sync your Printify products with your Wix store. This process involves connecting the two platforms so that your print-on-demand products automatically appear in your online catalog. Follow the intuitive steps that Printify and Wix provide. These guides ensure your products are displayed accurately and attractively to potential purchasers. With everything synced, you're now equipped to start selling your custom design products. Remember, using Printify on Wix combines the convenience of drop shipping with the personalization customers love, enhancing both your store's inventory and appeal to your target audience. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Printify with your Wix site. Now you can focus on what matters most, designing fantastic products and providing great service to your customers. Enjoy your new streamlined setup.